I am seeing this story. See translation. When I see translation, couldn't load translation, try again. Couldn't load translation, try again. Error is showing. If you are saying couldn't load translation on Instagram, it usually means the app couldn't fetch or process the translation. Here are the most common reasons and fixes. Quick fixes. Unstable or weak Wi-Fi data might cause the problem. Ensure Wi-Fi is connected with internet connection. Solution 2. Refresh the post. Close and reopen the post or scroll away and come back. Solution 3. Restart Instagram app. Fully close it and reopen. App and device fixes. Solution 1. Update Instagram. Go to Play Store and install the latest version. Solution 2. Restart your phone. Fixes temporary glitches. Solution 3. Clear app cache. Go to settings, apps, all apps, search for Instagram, go to storage and cache, clear cache, clear cache. This might fix the problem. Language and feature issue. Translation not available. Some languages or slang text may not be supported. Original text already in your language. Instagram sometimes show this error instead of translating. Other issue, server issue. Instagram translation service may be temporarily down. Advanced fix. Log out and log back in. Reinstall Instagram.